Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys. What the hell? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new, hey, what's poppin'? So this look actually wasn't the look that I was going for, but it still came out good. So if you guys want to see how to achieve this look, just stay tuned for the rest of the video, and I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so first I'll just be removing the excess concealer that I have on my eyebrow. Next, I'll be outlining the tree. I'll play around with this for a second to get the desired shape that I want. Know that it is okay to mess up in this process. You can always remove and start over because you are still in the beginning. Now I'm just filling in the empty spaces in the tree so that I can move on to the coloring. So first I'll be going in with this bright green and applying it to the center of the tree. Also, let me know if I should choose a white background instead of a black, because I feel with the black background, like, it's a lot of problems when it comes to the lighting, so it actually makes the contrast extra bright and the solution is harsh. So just let me know down in the comments below. Thank you. Next, I'll be going in with this dark green with a slanted brush. Notice that I use it for the edges of the tree to create a darker, more effective look on the outside of the tree. While you are applying the dark green, be sure to continuously move forward into the green to create a soft blend. Next, I take my concealer to create the strings for the lights, although I didn't add any lights. Now I'm just creating the star. Here I'm just going in with my white shadow, and don't mind if you mess up. You can always go back with the green, the dark green to be exact, and I will show you that in a minute. As I said in the beginning, you can always go back in with the dark green, just like I'm doing here, to sharpen those lines. Next, I'll be adding the balls.
I'm lost without you.
I went in with this red, and instead of green, I used yellow and blue. Now I'm just going in with the concealer. Now I'll be going in with this dark green, and starting at my crease bone, I'll just create a harsh line there to guide me. Next, I'll be using this black to go in on that same green line and darken it. Once again, I'll be going back over all of that with the dark green. Next, I'll be going in with this bright green. And this creates a ombre look. Notice how all the lines are harsh. Right here, I'm just going back in with that brush without any shadow on it and just blending everything together. Now I'm just cutting my crease. After shaping my crease to the desired look, I went in with this cream shimmering shadow. Here, I'm just creating the wing with the concealer. Once again, know that it is okay to mess up in this process because after applying your shadow, you can always go back over that and clean it up with concealer. Next, I'll be using this red to fill in the wing. Like I said, you can always go back over this with concealer and sharpen it. Dust excess powder off to move forward upward to the cream look to create an ombre with the red. Lastly, I'll be creating the hat with the same shape of the tree. After finishing to my desired shape, I went in with a dark red and I began applying it. Lastly, I'll be creating the puff to the end of the and going in with white shadow to end it off. Adding white shadow to the bottom of my eyelid will finish this look. Guys, thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video the same way you're gonna catch me. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new, hey, what's poppin'? So if you guys want to hey guys, okay guys, Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you did enjoy the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you did enjoy the video. If you want to see more like this, please. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see... Thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and drop the like below.